Hello everyone, Sandwich Lizard here, and I'm about to explain the soil duplication glitch, what's happening, and how to avoid it. So you can see here that I have some farming set up. This is specifically to show what's going on. I have a nice farm in there. Maybe we'll show you that at the end. So soil duplication has been a little bit of a problem. Some people are experiencing it, some are not, and it turns out it has to do with the vacuuming of crops. So there's been speculation that watering with vacuuming or placing, I've done a bunch of experiments. I stumbled onto it at first as to what was causing it and sussed out the details. So what's happening is everyone that's vacuumed crops, and some people that are just paying attention know that a vacuum pump will suck up 3 crops across. It'll actually do a 3x3 square of 9 crops. For this demonstration, I'm just doing a line. So the vacuum pump has a vacuum effect that will cover 3 plots. What's happening is the vacuum effect overlapping causes the dirt to duplicate. What I think is happening is when you remove something in Scrap Mechanic, it really just destroys the object and creates a new one. So when it vacuums up the crops, each pump that's vacuuming a crop is destroying the soil and replacing it. And when the vacuum effect overlaps, both of them are in fact vacuuming the crop and replacing the soil. So in this setup right here, this vacuum pump will affect these 3 soils. So this one right here will affect these 3. So this beat right here will be overlapped. This beat will be overlapped by all 3 of them. This beat will be overlapped by these 2. And this beet on the outside and the tomato on the outside will not be overlapped. So what's going to happen is the tomato will have 1 soil. This beet will have 2 soils. This beet will have 3 soils. This beet will have 2 soils. This beet will have 1 soil. This one over here won't get picked up at all. So let's see the crates are empty. And let's hit the button. So now we'll delete the soils to show how many there actually are. So we have 1 there and 2 there. If you look at my inventory, I now have 3 soil. And then this one will have 3. 2, 3 soils, because it was overlapped by 3 pumps. I now have 6. There'll be 2 here. 1, 2, overlapped by 2 pumps. 2 more, so I have 8, and this will only be 1 because it only had 1 pump acting on it. So, and to further prove this effect, I have other farms set up oh my, forgot about that. You'll see you got a lot of extra veg in these containers this is 2, 5, 8 beets. I only had 3 beet plants get picked up. So, or 4 beet plants get picked up. So they got doubled at least. So let's clear those out. And we'll set these up on the next piece of land. Now you get a whole lot of produce doing that, but it's not really effective because replanting is not good. The duplicated soil doesn't water necessarily the same one that plants get planted in, so it's really not a great way about managing your farm. We'll just put these here. Make sure these are all on vacuum. I have a button right there already. We'll just wire them up. And we'll see the similar effect. This one on the end will have 1 soil. This one will have 1 soil. This one is going to get overlapped by both those pumps, so it'll have 2. There'll be one soil, two soil, or one soil, two soil, one soil, one soil. So it's 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. So the ones that are in between vacuum pumps will have 2. Oh, do that, and let's hit the switch. Let's go over here and okay. So let's check that again. How many do we get? 1. 1. And then this one will be 2. 1, 2. Yep. And 1. 1, 2. Yep. 1. And 1. Okay, so, and there's still some item duplication as well. You get multiple vegetables from that, but it messes up your farm once again. Alright, so obviously, I think you guys are probably understanding you don't want the vacuum effect to be overlapped. And if we do this over here, you'll see in this setup there's 0 overlap. So we should have 0 duplication of soil. So let's check that out. Nope. And just 1. And just 1. Just 1. Just 1. And so on. So there you see. The duplication effect is in fact caused by overlapping vacuum effect collecting your crops. So if you want to avoid that, simply avoid overlapping your vacuum pumps. Use one for a group of 3, and that's it. Simple. I hope you find this information useful, and enjoy your Scrap Mechanic game. Oh yeah, I was going to give you a quick show of the farm. Pretty nice, eh? The sled moves out and does planting and vacuuming and all that. And I'm still working on the logic, so. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the information, and good luck in your scrap mechanicking. Thanks for watching.